Welcome to Spotlight for Success, brought to you by American Book Company. We are here at the Georgia Educational Technology Conference with Chaz Harris, with ClassLink. Yes. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Chaz, and what brings you to the Georgia ETC.
So I am a partner relationship manager at ClassLink. It will be my 3-year anniversary on the 15th of this month.
Congratulations.
So, thank you. I love it at ClassLink. We help all school districts access all the applications that they need access to seamlessly through single sign-on. And so I like getting all the application providers integrated, like yourself.
Wonderful. We love being a ClassLink certified partner. It's been a great experience for us and a great way to help educators.
Yes. I really enjoy getting to impact over 20, I think we're at 26 million users.
Wow.
Worldwide. So I love being able to make that impact. Being a former teacher, I always was thinking about moving out of the classroom, how am I going to continue to make that impact? And by working with ClassLink, I'm able to impact so many more students than I would have ever impacted in the classroom.
Wow.
So really love it.
That's fantastic. What did you teach when you were in the classroom?
So as a teacher, I taught elementary school.
Okay.
So 2nd through 5th grade.
Nice.
My favorite was 2nd. I love the little ones because they can be so independent if you give them the opportunity to be independent. So I like to, have fun with them, teach them, still run into them a lot. And, they all remember me as the lady that taught them how to make ice cream.
Oh,
so
that's wonderful.
Definitely love that so much.
Oh, that's great.
At American Book Company in Woodstock, Georgia, we are committed to your students' success. As you can see behind me, we have our workbooks and we have online testing and ebooks that go on fancy iPads over here, for instance. They're all designed to help your students succeed and have higher test scores on their high-stakes assessments. Give us a call, 888-264-5877, or find us on the web, abck12.com, and you can receive a free trial or a free preview book of your choice. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.
And so now you're here. What kind of connections are you looking or have you made here at the Georgia ETC?
So out here at GAETC, I'm looking to connect with any vendors, application providers that want to work with ClassLink, integrate their application into ClassLink for free, because that's a lot of money,
Yeah, it's wonderful.
And so being able to work with all the school districts, we're in like a third of the school districts in the country. We got some statewide contracts, and we also work internationally. So just, making those connections, helping them integrate, and then, doing some collaborative marketing like we're doing right now.
There we go.
To get their name out there.
That's great, Chaz. And how can people find out more about what you do with ClassLink?
If anyone is interested in finding out more about ClassLink, how to integrate with us, or become a customer, you can just go to classlink.com,
Awesome.
or you can reach out to us on LinkedIn, or anyway, carrier pigeon, any way you want to reach out, we're here.
Well, thank you so much, Chaz. It's been great speaking with you, and I hope you have a fantastic and successful conference here.
You as well.